another beautiful Friday evening here in Coast City, and of course at TGRF. You, you all know that I'm always excited, like extraordinary excited when it comes to weekend because it's my escape from work, struggles of life, hustle and bustle. Time for me to go unwind, have fun, cool my head, and rejuvenate my soul for the new week ahead. What's up with you, my dear viewer? How are you doing? Tell me, how did your week go? I hope you had yourself a splendid one. Now, if you did not, do not lose hope because by Sunday, we are going to be ushered into a brand new week. And you know what comes with new weeks? New weeks comes with endless possibilities. So whatever it is that you were unable to achieve during this week, best believe that in the coming week, you are going to achieve all of them from 1 to 10. I don't know how many the plans are, but you are going to achieve all of it. Yes, you know what time it is. It's that time where we get to have fun right here on your screen. Bring you your favorite celebrities, your entertainers, creatives. You get to know them more, give you closure to them, their personal life, the background to their work, also play games, have a quality time. Tonight is going to be a great time here on Inca, where art is fully and freely expressed because I am going to be having myself a musician as my guest. I know you're already thinking, who is this musician that she has got tonight? Worry less. In few seconds, I am going to be introducing who the handsome, tall gentleman is. My name is Rochelle, and of course, I'm going to be your host on the show tonight. We're going to go on a short break. When we come back, I'm going to be introducing my guest, and every other thing would fall in line. Stay tuned. Inka is going to be right back. Once again, welcome to Inka, showing live on Afia TV, on the STV channel 254 and on GoTV channel 17. So it's time for us to have the last show for this week. And like I said before we went on that short break, that tonight I am going to be joined by one of the best musicians here in 040. So tonight I don't know if how many of you have heard the Abalusia track, and also we have so many other tracks of the Losses and Lessons EP. If you haven't, if you have, good and fine, good for you. If you haven't, this is a perfect time for you to go listen to it. So I have the crooner of that particular EP with me right here in the studio, and he simply goes by the name Odogwubinladen. Now, how do you put Odogwu and then Bin Laden together? How? You're laughing. Stop laughing and answer my question. How did you put that two together, Odogwu and then Bin Laden? You want to scare us away or something?
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay, I love the way you are seated. Like, you are emitting that Odogwu vibes because Odogwu comes in and takes control of wherever he is. He's fully in charge. What's up? How are you doing tonight?
Perfect.
You're perfect. I haven't gotten that response in a while. Like everything in your life right now is perfect.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Interesting. I can't wait to be like you.
Sure.
It's a pleasure to have you here on Incat tonight. And, you're not looking bad. You're rapping. You're really rapping.
Thank you.
Yeah. So how did you get the name Odogwubinladen? Where did it come from?
You know Osama bin Laden?
I know, yeah. Then the Odogwu.
As an Igbo man. I be Odogwu now.
You be Odogwu as an Igbo man.
Yeah.
I don't think just being an Igbo man makes you an Odogwu. You need to have some
doings.
So you are telling me right now that you have some,
Abalusia is doings.
Abalusia is doings.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You know what would happen? You're going to be proving that here on Inca tonight. Are you ready for it?
How?
How? Don't worry. When it's time, you're going to know how you would prove that.
All right.
Okay.
Right.
So it's actually, yeah, that's the name alone would make one thinking like, who is this guy? Like, what do you even feel like? You're answering Odogwu and then Bin Laden. Are you trying to scare us or something? Why did you choose that name?
Because that name is special.
Okay.
You never heard it before, but
I haven't, honestly. I haven't. I would agree with you. Okay. So you have your Losses or Lessons EP out there. How is it going with you?
It's going really well. I haven't really started and it's going off.
Oh, wow.
So imagine when I get started. It's going really well. People love that Abalosia
Yeah.
a lot. I mean, a lot. A whole
So I
lot.
want to ask you, some of the videos of Abalusia, you made it in an abattoir because I saw you. I don't know which market it is exactly, but it seems like, is it New Ever Market?
New artisan.
Okay, New Artisan. So all those meats, did you buy it for yourself? Has it finished?
What do you think?
Because I'm a meat lover. I want to know. I want to know. Have you finished them or is still there? Because I might come for my own share. They're all gone. Okay. So before we start talking about your musical career, what motivated you, how you got into music, would love to know a little bit about you. Your real name, where you grew up, your state of origin, where you schooled, and some other very vital things that you think your fans they need to know about you. Let us in into who you are exactly.
Okay. My name is Dozie Mezwe O'Brien. I was born in Onitsha.
Onitsha.
I was born in Onitsha. Spent like a few years in Onitsha. Let me just say nursery, primary school, then moved to Asaba.
Okay.
That's where I did most of my adolescence and teenage age days. Then after Asaba, school brought me to Enugu.
Which school was that?
UNN.
UNN Nsukka. Okay. What course did you study?
Human physiology.
Human physiology. Okay. Go ahead.
Why is your face like that? Human physiology.
I don't know, but just go ahead.
Did you expect that one?
Honestly, I wasn't expecting it, but go ahead.
Okay, so human physiology. I'm from Imo State.
Oh, which part of Imo State?
Idato North.
Idato North. Okay.
Yeah. So school brought me to Enugu and I've been in Enugu for like since I finished university and
you're still here.
I'm still here.
You don't have plans of leaving Enugu anytime soon.
I am here.
Is that how much you love Enugu?
I am here.
Full time.
I do here.
Okay. So now let's get into the musical aspect of you. At what point in your life did you start, your music?
From before I entered into university, like from my secondary school, been performing on stage, writing raps, because I went to a boarding school.
Okay.
So now we be our own entertainment. We know
I think it's a general thing for everybody because I could remember back then in secondary school. I don't know about your school, but then we used to have shows like this. This one we call virtual show.
Social night.
Social night. Yeah. So students would come sing, dance, act drama. So many things. Okay.
Yeah. So that was before then. Like I just felt like I like music.
Okay.
You get. I like music. So from that time, when based on saying a boys' school, it's an all boys school. So no reason to even be shy. First of all, so I would just go up on stage. My rap, why I don't write for hostel. The previous week, I go come rap and without beats.
Are you serious? But the first time you ever did that, what was the acceptance from your peers? What was it like?
It was okay. There was no.
They didn't boo you off the stage.
No. I knew what I was doing.
Okay.
Even there was a time I was rapping and I forgot my line on stage. I paused.
Yeah.
Pick them up again.
We go nowhere. We must finish it.
Okay.
Wow.
So it's just more of the confidence. Plus, I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
I know I have good taste, and if I say what I'm doing is good.
Okay.
Every other person has to agree.
Okay. So why did you choose hip-hop rap? Like, why not other genre?
I'm Nigerian. I'm an Igbo boy.
Okay.
I grew up in a household where we speak Igbo, Pidgin, and English.
Okay.
If I rap anything outside what is connecting to my roots, it wouldn't be so real to me.
Okay.
So my music is kind of like through my experiences.
Okay.
So that's just as it comes. That's how I put it out.
Okay.
So that's how I arrived at that genre. Sometimes I do drill.
Okay.
I do drill also. I have a song, Mary Jane Love. That's a drill song on an all-day beat.
Okay. And you don't intend going outside, it's just drill for now and
no, I'm everywhere.
Okay, everywhere. Okay. All
I'm
right.
everywhere. I'm drill. I have a song now that is coming up. Like, but I'm still just.
So there's something you're cooking for us.
I'm always.
Wow,
cooking.
you ain't relenting.
I'm always cooking.
All right. Now let's talk about the Losses or Lesson EP. When did you drop that EP?
26th.
Of which month?
May.
May.
Yeah.
Okay. So what actually motivated all the tracks on that EP, and how easy or difficult was it for you to come up with that project?
That project is. I already had it in mind, like even before I dropped, like, let me even say, like, my second single. I already had the plan, the name, the everything in mind, but I had not recorded it yet. But still, it came true, and like the songs, they all have a meaning and story behind it. There is no.
Can you walk us through the stories? At least start with Abalusia, because I'm very much invested in that one.
Okay, but that's not the first song.
No, it's not the first on it, but yeah.
Okay.
Abalusia just seemed to be my number one.
Your
yes.
number one. Okay. Now, when I was in secondary school, let me just say just one, just two, there was a street we moved into.
Okay.
So the street was just a normal street before this one very rich man. Before this one very rich man came into the street, built a very, very massive house to himself.
Okay.
Then come put gates for the streets.
Okay.
Come put name.
Oh, okay. And it was Abalusia.
Abalusia Angene Street.
Abalusia Angene Street. Oh, okay.
You understand? My house now be the biggest.
So you somehow felt.
So I felt like, who is this man? Who is this man? He must be very great, too.
Yeah.
Then also the adage, Abalusia Angene.
Ikulu.
It's when I now found out later the meaning of that adage.
What does it mean?
Like, let's say a stream now. If you soil a stream, don't forget that you still drink from it.
Yeah.
So don't go around
spoiling things. Okay.
When you still benefit from it.
Okay.
That kind of thing.
Okay.
So just like the evil you do will somehow still affect
you. Wow. Okay. So that was what inspired the Abalusia single. Okay. So what about the other tracks on that EP?
The first song, Odogwubinladen.
Odogwubinladen.
Is like an intro
to
who I am.
Who you are. Okay.
Odogwubinladen. It's like telling the story of how I became or how I am what I am now.
Okay.
Kind of just that kind of thing.
Wow.
Then that's the next is Abalusia. Then the third is Special Force.
Yeah, Special Force.
You know, police people. They are matter long.
Have you had any ugly experience or a beautiful one?
Who hasn't had a lot of ugly experiences?
Are you serious?
Every Nigerian male youth has.
Not just male, even females as well. Yeah.
Really?
Males and females.
So if you are going somewhere now, they will stop you and search you.
Yeah, like since 2 weeks, for 2 weeks right now. Anytime they have any checkpoints, yeah, like they always stop me. Okay, let's see what's inside your handbag and all of that. So I don't think it's just for male. Females are also included as well.
But they won't tell you to open your phone.
I haven't experienced that phone.
They won't tell you to open your phone now. That is the thing. Then also, it's also talked about, like, I had like a kind of an accident.
Okay.
I will not call it accident, just a small lesson. A small
I think
lesson.
it's now beginning to make sense.
Yeah.
Okay. The losses or lessons.
Yeah, a small lesson that I learned from.
Okay.
So I was like, Omo,
Mm-hmm.
if I remember this thing.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. Let's just leave it there.
Yeah.
Let's leave it there. So you are someone that is very active in the Nigerian hip hop scene and Enugu to be precise. So when it comes to hip hop artists here in Enugu, who are the ones that inspire your work or you really love their artistic work? Why are you laughing?
Tricky question.
What's that? Why are you laughing?
Enugu.
Yeah, in Enugu. Let me start with Enugu first. Yeah, let's start with Enugu. Mm-hmm. Jerick. Okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
Jerick.
Why him?
Oh, Jerick, man.
Okay.
He's real.
Okay.
He's relatable. Just feel like you understand what he's saying.
Okay.
I understand what he's saying.
Well,
every nigga understands what he's saying.
All right. So when you started off, because from your story, I made to understand that you started rapping as early as back then in secondary school.
Mm-hmm.
So that time that you started, which artist actually inspired you? There's no how for you not to have someone that inspired you that time.
Ice Prince.
Okay.
M.I.
Wow. Like these are the real OGs.
Fino.
Okay.
You Bliss.
Come on.
Those OG people. Nigaro.
Okay. Wow. So that's a good one. So are you doing this all alone or you're under a record label?
I'm under myself.
You're under yourself. So how has it been being under yourself?
No, no easy.
What's making it not easy? Tell me about it.
Funds.
Okay.
Money.
But you Odogu now. Odogu supposed to complain about money.
Ah.
You don't deform my hand though.
Relax.
Or money for supporting music is different from
It's
money
different
for balling.
from money. Jesus, don't compare it to. It's like everyday debit alerts. Yes, now.
Okay, so what would you say are your biggest challenge, in making music and also as an independent artist? Aside from phone, you already mentioned phone. Are there other things?
Other things.
Mm-hmm.
Publicity.
Okay.
And which is still under phones.
Okay.
See, money solves a lot of things.
Yeah, and promotion is something that is very necessary when it comes to music. Yeah. Okay.
So that's just that promotion.
Mm-hmm.
Just like how you heard the song, you like it.
Mm-hmm.
The only problem is that the other people, they've not heard it.
Mm-hmm.
What is stopping the song from,
Not
let's
getting
say,
to them.
yes, getting to where it is,
Mm-hmm.
it's supposed to be.
Mm-hmm.
It's just that enough ears have not heard it, and we are getting there.
Okay. So you earlier hinted something. You said there is something you are cooking for us. Can you tell us more about that?
I didn't finish talking about the songs.
Okay, the songs.
Track, yeah.
Okay, oh yeah, go. Let's get back to it.
So in the track 4,
Mm-hmm.
that is Anabako.
Yeah.
Anabako. You know what that means now?
I know now. Calculating. Pointing this one and
Always
that
calculate. You see, once you are calculating, you are moving forward. That's what I just think. As long as you are calculating, you are moving forward. So just keep calculating.
Okay.
That's just what that song is. And I feel since I started calculating, I've been moving forward.
Okay. So before you make any move, like you have to calculate, check your steps very well.
Calculate
Is this going to be beneficial?
Every possible.
Yeah, look at the negative and the positive side.
Everything.
Then you now make a decision.
Yes.
It actually helps in life. Some people will tell you, no, don't think about the negative part of life. Just be very optimistic. I know, yeah, like be optimistic, but sometimes it helps you to prepare for whatever it is that come up out there. So is there another thing you would love to do with that EP, like remix to any track? Anything, or you're just leaving it there and then moving on to the next thing?
I'm not leaving it there.
Okay.
That EP is very powerful. The last track there, that is the number 5, Losses or Lessons. That one now is like the closing of the whole thing. So that EP is not. I cannot just leave it there.
Okay. So we should expect more from that EP.
Yes, that
Okay.
EP is not just.
All right. Is that
something
part
like
of the things you are cooking for us, or you have a totally different something
No,
that
it's
you are
totally
cooking?
different.
Okay.
Something very, very different.
Can you throw more light into that different something?
No.
Why? Why? Come
Why
on.
is it secret?
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
Okay. So how
It's
long
secret.
have you been in the music industry?
I've not even been up to a year.
You're not up to a year. Yes. And you already have an EP down. Then you also have two singles, right? Then the EP. So do you feel, pressured to be, releasing song, making sure that you meet up with expectations of your fans?
I'm the person that is even setting the expectations for them
Okay.
because it's so high where I am putting the standard. Because when you listen to my EP, it doesn't sound like an upcoming artist.
A newcomer.
Yeah. So you see
Yeah.
that I'm not joking.
You're not here to joke.
Not
You ain't here to play, man.
I'm not joking. So I'm not joking at all.
Okay.
So the only pressure I have is from myself.
All right.
Gets.
Mm-hmm.
I'm ready to drop even if not next week.
You're ready
Next
to
2
drop
weeks,
something.
yes.
Okay.
And people just they tell me calm down, chill, relax.
Take it easy.
Because that's a lot.
But don't you think, like, if you keep dropping this like that, it would get to a point that you're going to run out of content or what to do? Or there are trailer loads of them in there?
Check back in like 3 years, you see. Let you see if I'll run out.
Okay, so you are here to stay, and nothing is ever going to
Nothing.
make you to back out.
Nothing.
I love that resilient spirit. It's a good one. Okay, so aside music, what other things do you do when you want to have fun? Because I've been through, like, I've been to your page on several occasions. Yeah, before now. Yeah, I've seen you on IG, and I see some of the posts where you are having your boat cruise, and then you would always say, this life is just one, so you better leave it to the
That was my anthem.
you better leave it to the fullest. I say, yeah, this one is truly an Odogwu. So when you're not doing music, you're not thinking about what to give to your fans out there, what else could you be caught doing?
What would I be caught doing?
For fun, for relaxation. I know you love fun a lot.
Yeah. I'm picking up new hobbies.
Okay,
I've recently picked an interest in snooker.
Okay.
So I do that once.
Wow.
Then I like traveling.
Okay. How many countries have you been to?
Countries.
Okay, where have you been to?
Just Nigeria. Did you see anyone outside this country?
Oh my god. So that video of you, where did you make it?
That was Lagos now. There are many beautiful places in this country
Okay.
people don't know.
Okay.
Yes now.
So where have you explored in Nigeria?
Just
Lagos.
not only Lagos.
Okay.
Lagos, Abuja, Benin, Port Harcourt,
Okay.
Owerri.
Old Town.
Just let me see Nigeria finish first.
Okay, before you start thinking about going outside.
Yes.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Just at the way you sounded, I love traveling. Like,
Not that type of I love traveling. Like I love traveling, but it will still expand.
it is expand.
Surely.
Okay, I wish you all the best on that particular goal in life. Okay, before we go on a short break, I wanted to do a freestyle for us. You're a rapper, yeah. So maybe draw inspiration from what you're seeing around here, or maybe any other thing, but just share some skills.
Freestyle.
Just freestyle for us. But just mind your words. This is TV.
You see, that's the problem.
Just mind your words. Maybe the one you want, you can just, silence it. Yeah.
Guys, I don't even know which one should be silenced.
Okay, but just do something. Just give us a freestyle.
I woke up next to my blunt. I don't smoke. Should I? That one is.
Just go ahead. Go ahead first.
I don't smoke. I don't chop. Belle don lock 2 grams inside brown rice. I start to dey beg God. My Gustavos na the man o. She got me, I no go starve o. Makana nleka dịkwa bad o. I saw my G checking a G wagon. Olisa, your dreams are big. Wagwan.
Wow, that's so good. Okay. Let's just use this on our whole body for now because he's going to be doing more of this for us. If you are just joining us, this is Inka, the Friday edition, and of course, the very last one for this week. I've been speaking with Odogwubinladen, a rapper, and also one of the biggest thing that is coming up from the street of hip hop here in 042. We're going to go on a short break. When we come back, we've got lots more to come your way right here on the show. So make sure you stay tuned wherever you are. Welcome back. This is still Nka here on Afia TV, on the STV channel 254 and Go TV channel 17. My name still remains Rochelle, and of course, I still have Odogwubinladen. I've been very careful, so I did not call him Osama bin Laden. I still have Odogwubinladen right here in the studio with me. How are you feeling? Let me ask you once more.
Feeling good.
You're feeling good. Okay.
Good.
I love the fact that you feel very good. So there is something we are going to be doing right now. I hope at the end of it, you would still feel good. Yeah. So usually we have not so little and not so big surprise here on Inka, and it usually comes from the deepest part of our hearts. You know, it comes with love. Yeah, it comes with love. I know you're already thinking, what could this be all about? Now, if you want to find out what it could be, just fix your eyes on the screen because some beautiful things are going to be popping up. Then you would tell us the stories behind each and every one of them. So let's see what we've got on Odogwubinladen tonight. Yeah. Okay, who's that? Who goes there? Okay. You look a bit younger here. Has it been that long you took this picture?
Probably like.
Anyway, you snapped this picture, and I'm sure you went to have yourself a good time.
Mama chill.
Oh, jeez. Where was this?
I think before my EP.
Okay.
Yeah. For my EP.
Okay. Let's see if we'll have more. The Igbo man. Odogwu himself.
Sure.
When was this? I can see stop what?
NSAS.
NSAS.
2020.
Okay. So you were part of the persons that were active in the protests.
Frontline.
2020. Okay, I see. So you see, we didn't really do any dirty job on you. I hope you enjoyed all the pictures. So you're just lucky tonight because it's just very few persons that have it this easy.
Yeah, I'm always, you cannot surprise me.
We cannot surprise
you. Cannot surprise me.
Okay, don't worry. But I bet you will be back here on Inka, and that time you will not only be surprised, you're going to be swept off your feet. Like you're waiting. Okay, no problem. I'm going to write your name down somewhere and write today's conversation down somewhere and say that Odogwubinladen, he tried us here on Nka. He tried us. You tried me. Thank God. You don't know the kind of trouble you've entered. But don't worry. I'm waiting for you in front.
All right.
Okay, we're going to go on another quick break. When we come back, it's going to be games time. Stay tuned. Right, it's games time here on Inka, and you know how we go about it. We have 3 games. Tonight we're going to be playing the 3 of them. We're going to be starting off with the rating game. So Odogwubinladen, are you ready for this game?
Alright.
Okay, alright. Let's see if truly you are an Odogwu or Odiib. You know, you haven't proved to me this is Odogwu. So let's start with the games first. Okay, so we are going to be starting off with the written games. And on the written games, we have some persons, some artists. You know all of them actually. So you're going to be rating them from best to worst. So you would tell me categorically who your best is, and then you keep running down the names till you get to the last person and tell me who your worst is. Don't be smiling. It's not a smiling matter. It's not a smiling matter. You are going to do it. If not, you will do some Odogu doings here on the show. Okay, so you are going to be rating this artist from best to worst. 1 on my list is Cola Boy. 2, Hugo P. 3, Quincy. 4, Aguero Banks. And 5, Jerick. From best to worst. Yes. Ha!
What is worse? All these people you named here
I
now,
said
damn.
it is a game, no hard feelings. It's just a game.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jerick,
For what?
number 1.
Number 1 is best, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Aguero Banks.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Hugo P.
Okay.
Who else is there?
I have Quincy and Cola Boy.
Cola Boy, then Quincy.
Quincy's your what? It's a game. Come on. It's
Quincy
a
is
game.
what? What is Quincy?
Quincy's what? Like
Number
we have
5 in the list now.
number
From
5
1
in
to
the list
5.
now means what? What does the 5 mean?
It's you that will say what it means now.
No, I already told you, like, this is how to play this game.
Ah.
Don't say play your game. All these persons you mentioned their names, even here, they play their own games as well. So be you. Like, you are the confident Odogwubinladen. So play your game with your full chest.
Number 1 to 5.
That's not what I'm doing. We are doing best and worst.
Okay, my best.
Yes.
Okay.
Your best is who?
Jerick,
Then your worst is who?
the Quincy, yeah.
Quincy. Good and fine. Now you've passed this first game.
Imagine.
Let's move to the next
Oh my
one.
God.
Okay, so the next one is called This or That Game. We're supposed to have something here, but in the absence of that, we'll still play the game. Here we get to know some things you like and things you do not like. And the rule in this game is that your response come in as fast as possible. So if you waste any time, I think I'm going to be twisting things on the show tonight. If you waste any time, maybe you might just do frog jump.
You so that-
Or you give us something from, I don't know, but just from your accessories or something. I don't know, but
I'll give
you are
I'll
living.
give you autograph.
No autograph. I don't need the autograph for anything. Maybe your shoes. I don't know, but whatever it is, you are going to be dropping something.
Don't
That's
worry.
what we're going to do. So let your response come in as prompt as possible. Are you ready? All right, let's go. So best place to live in the East. Enugu Owerri. Egusi Onugbo. Yabacho Pizza.
Abacha.
Sister traditional.
Traditional.
Clubbing or sleeping.
Sleeping.
Call or text.
Eh?
Call or text.
Text.
Mid 30 women or mid 40 women. You're wasting
Below
my time.
30.
Give me something.
30. No. I don't waste time.
Okay, you wasted time.
Okay, I don't waste
You
time.
said thinking.
No.
Did I even tell you below 30? I said mid 30 women or mid 40 women.
Okay,
But
mid 30.
this is your last chance.
Okay.
Another one, you drop something.
Okay.
Like 5 things.
Okay.
All right. So let's go with this one. Chicken or goat meat?
Chicken.
Egusi or bono?
Egusi.
Fufu or amala?
Fufu.
Moi moi or akara?
Moi moi.
Puff or buns?
Bofo.
Fried rice or jollof rice?
Jollof rice.
Asun or nkwobi?
Nkwobi.
All these things you did is just for you not to drop anything. But it's good. It's good. A round of applause for you. You tried. You really tried. Okay, so let's get to the last game. This one is called the impression game. So on the impression game, you tell me who your favorite performer or entertainer is, be it a musician, an actor, a comedian, or a poet, whoever the person is. But the only thing you're going to do for us is that you are going to mimic that person for at least 30 seconds. So, who are you choosing?
Musician, actor.
Yeah, anybody, yeah? Or a comedian, a skit maker, who are you choosing?
Hmm. How should I mimic the person?
If it's a singer, at least you sing like the person. Or if the person used to talk, you talk like the person.
Okay.
Yeah, that kind of a thing. Just,
Okay.
be that person for at least 30 seconds. Yeah.
Okay.
So who are we going for?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Jerick.
I thought that's smart. I was just waiting for you to laugh. I said, let me wait for you to talk. So it wouldn't be as if I'm the person that initiated it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to be giving us a show right now. Yeah. So in 3, 2, 1, action. Bejeric.
Ogbe.
Hey.
Iyo. Iyo Cartel. Then first flight to overseas. Hi. Nah. Essa going backward. I'm as me friend name.
Okay.
Is that not what Jerry could do?
Okay. Okay. All right. You try. Yokata Obe. Yeah, that's just like his slogan and introduction in every song.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good one. You really tried your best and you did all of this not to drop 5 things. Yes.
If you still want 5 things, I'll give you.
You give me, like, what are you going to drop right now? And it's your wristwatch. By the time we go to where road and cancel it, so make enough money off it.
Is that the only thing you want?
I don't know, any other thing. Yeah. Your coral beads, yeah.
After your tell me. I'll give them to you.
Okay, Odogwubinladen. It's been a great time, conversing with you, playing games, having quality time, and getting to know. I try one you.
You try one me well.
Well, you don't panic now. I mean, you panic. You didn't panic.
No,
they said they go one you, but make you no panic. You understand? You don't panic. I like him. Now, why be Odogwu now? You're not audio. I just wanted to be sure that you are indeed an Odogwu.
You don't confirm. It's not just,
I don't confirm if you're Odogwu, correct one. Thank you for maintaining your steeze and composure. Odogwubinladen. Okay, it's been a great time, having you here on Anchor. Once again, I have to say thank you for, coming to sit on our couch tonight. Thank you for coming around.
Thank you too.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. And for the next time you would be here, just have it at the back of your mind that I'm going to show you yellow pepper. Yeah, have you had a taste of yellow pepper before?
Is it that on suka on?
Yeah, thank you, exactly. That's what I'm going to show you.
I used to use it
to clean your eyes.
Yes,
I'm getting a different species.
Alright. That is gonna be hybrid.
Oh, hybrid. Okay. And this we're going to be wrapping it up for Inka tonight and also for this week. It's been an amazing ride. A very big kudos to you, my dear viewer, for always keeping it locked there with us, making sure that you support all we do by just simply joining us every weeknight by 8 p.m. We really love you for this and we do not take it for granted. Kisses and hugs to you wherever you are right now, and make sure you have yourself a great weekend. It's very important. We're going to see you again, but that is going to be on Monday. Until then, keep being good, keep being your brother's keepers, keep sharing love, peace, and lights. My name is Rochelle. Do have yourself a great night and also a fantabulous weekend. And as our president would always say, enjoy your weekend. Yeah.